Best deals.
1. Bag clips. Feature a unique 2-in-1 design with a sealing lid, allowing you to pour contents directly from the bag without needing to remove the entire clip, providing a hassle-free experience and keeping food items fresh and protected, minimizing spills and waste. The food bag sealer offers exceptional airtight sealing capabilities to keep your snacks, groceries, and pet food fresh for longer periods. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Metal sponge holder. Efficiently stores a variety of cleaning tools, including bottles, brushes, sponges, and hand sanitizer, helping you keep your kitchen cleaning supplies organized. Features a hollow bottom and inclined water tray for quick and automatic drainage into the sink, ensuring mess-free use. The sponge holder accommodates sponges, soap dispensers, and more. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Silicone freezer tray. Freeze leftovers and meal prep essentials in our Curry Freezy silicone freezing trays. Perfect for soups, curries, sauces, cooked rice, smoothie ingredients etc. Freezing food preserves freshness and extends shelf life. Enjoy a delicious homemade meal without having to cook or reheat a whole pot again. With 1 cup portion size, Curry Freezy trays are your sidekick for effortless meal prep and portion control. The soup storage container organizer boxes is made with food-grade silicone reinforced with a stainless steel frame on the top for extra stability. The soup freezer cube will not tilt when you fill it with liquid diets. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Dosa tawa. Crafted from food-grade 18/8 stainless steel, this dosa tawa ensures rust-free durability and healthy cooking. Its non-reactive surface preserves food taste and quality, making it perfect for everyday use. Featuring an encapsulated aluminum layer, this dosa pan delivers even heat distribution. This reduces cooking time and prevents food from burning, ensuring your dosas are crispy and evenly cooked every time. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Wrap dispenser. The triple dispenser with storage for paper roll can hold 1 roll of plastic wrap, 1 roll of aluminum foil or parchment paper, and another roll of kitchen paper towels. The dispenser for kitchen is equipped with a storage space, and a cutter allowing you to easily adjust the length of the material as needed for efficient wrapping. Built-in rotatable metal roller makes pulling out plastic wrap, butter paper, aluminum foil, and parchment paper easier and smoother. The plastic wrap dispenser with a strong magnetic strip on the back can be firmly attached to refrigerators or other metal surfaces. It has 2 hooks holders at the back, so you can hang it anywhere on the wall near the countertop. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Toilet brush with holder. Crafted with a high-quality PP handle and durable TPR brush head, this toilet brush is built to last. It resists deformation, prevents hair from tangling, and fits perfectly into hard-to-reach areas for a deep, thorough clean. The simple yet elegant design complements any bathroom decor, making it a must-have cleaning accessory for every home. Its compact, space-saving holder keeps the toilet brush discreetly hidden while ensuring sanitary, organized storage. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Grater. Features 4 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades for efficient slicing and grating. Its precision food grip securely holds everything from cheese to veggies, acting like a food masher. Equipped with a handy measuring base. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Batter dispenser. An essential baking tool for the kitchen. It is suitable for takoyaki balls, pancakes, crepes, muffin, cupcakes, waffles, chocolate balls. Scientific pancake maker is very good at controlling the flow of liquids without wasting. It can easily and accurately dispense most batter, seasonings and icing, even pizza sauce. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Bags. The inflatable mattress pump is small and lightweight, making it convenient to use it indoor and outdoor. At a travel-friendly dimension, you can easily take air pumps anywhere you go. The air extraction pod's diameter of Smart Saver vacuum storage bag pump is about 1 inch, which is suitable for various types of vacuum sealing bags outlet valve. Using electric air pump to vacuum the air out of the vacuum bags is high efficient and easier. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Drawer. The multifunctional under-sink organizer can be used as bathroom toiletries storage, kitchen spice rack or office supplies rack. Perfect for under the sink, cabinet, countertop, food pantry, kitchen, bathroom, garage, and laundry room. This desk organizer box maximizes space utilization on your countertop or desk, helping to declutter your space while keeping your cosmetics and accessories within reach. The 3-layer design allows you to better utilize vertical space, and the transparent tray allows you to see items at a glance, making it convenient and quick. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Oil dispenser. The innovative gravity-fed cap opens automatically when the bottle is tilted and closes when upright, allowing for effortless one-handed use. The automatic closure prevents drips and spills, keeping your countertops clean and your bottle hygienic. The thoughtfully designed spout ensures a smooth, controlled pour every time, preventing overuse and wastage. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Griller. Includes all essential grilling tools, providing a comprehensive solution for both indoor and outdoor cooking needs. This barbecue grill set offers a durable and versatile cooking surface, ideal for grilling, roasting, and frying your favorite foods to perfection at family events. Designed for BBQ charcoal, this griller ensures efficient heat distribution and retention, allowing you to cook delicious meals with a rich, smoky taste that everyone will love. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Watermelon slicer. Innovative windmill cutter glides through watermelon with ease, automatically slicing perfect cubes in seconds. No more uneven cuts or sticky messes. Just insert the slicer and push. In one smooth motion, you get evenly sized watermelon cubes. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Trivets. Made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance. Comes in sizes 6, 7 and 8 inches, making it versatile for different cookware and utensils. Lightweight and easy to store. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Containers. Made of high-grade glass, our mason jars for overnight oats are lead and BPA-free and perfect for preserving the freshness and integrity of your stored food. Holding up to 16 ounces of content, they are the best glass jars with lids for food storage. Glass jars with airtight lid keep the contents fresh for a long time, preventing any possible leaks. Whether you use them as overnight oats containers with lids or yogurt containers with lids, the specially designed lid will give you a hassle-free transport experience. Using our overnight oats jars is now easier than ever. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Masala box. Organizer designed to store multiple spices. Features an airtight seal to keep spices fresh, with a mirror finish for a sleek look. Each container has a see-through lid for easy identification. Can store up to 12 different spices. Airtight. Ensures spices remain fresh by preventing moisture and air exposure. Mirror finish. Sleek and stylish with a polished stainless steel. Exterior. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Bottle. Built from premium quality, BPA-free plastic, this bottle is both strong and safe for everyday use. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Ice ball mold. The bottom of the ice ball mold is made of good quality soft silicone material, which makes it easy to release the ice ball. To release the ice ball, you can easily squeeze the silicone. Silicone and AS lids seal around the edges. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Pan. Precision engineered 12 pits ensure evenly shaped appams, paniyarams, and up every time, perfect for authentic South Indian cooking. Transparent, durable glass lid allows for easy monitoring while the steam release maintains optimal moisture levels and prevents overcooking. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Strainer. Act as a barrier, preventing solid debris such as food particles, hair, and other materials from entering the drain. This helps in avoiding clogs and blockages in the plumbing system. Ideal for a wide range of applications, Our silicone sink drainer can be used in both the bathroom sink and kitchen sink. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Chakla Balan Set. Natural and very durable with anti-skid heavy base. Easy to maintain, clean, dishwasher safe and won't absorb food odors or stains. Easy to maintain, clean, dishwasher safe and won't absorb food odors or stains. Carved from a single piece of white marble rock, have a ring base for more stability while making rotis, has a mirror finish white marble, it's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Brush Holder. Boasts outstanding durability and a modern look, ensuring your bathroom stays organized and stylish. Enjoy a long-lasting, easy-to-clean solution that keeps your daily essentials secure in any Indian home. Upgrade your space and try this must-have today. Specifically designed for hair brushes. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 22. Butter Dish. Designed to shield butter from moisture, dust, and external contaminants, helping maintain freshness and taste when stored in the refrigerator or on the dining table. The knob on the lid enhances the container's visual appeal and makes it practical for easy lifting and butter access, combining style and functionality seamlessly. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Cream Jars. Crafted from premium, food-grade silicone, these jars are non-toxic, safe for your skin, and durable enough to handle repeated use. Ideal for all types of skincare, makeup, and cosmetic products. Simply rinse or wash with mild soap after use, making it effortless to refill with your favorite creams, balms, or DIY skincare products. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Crepe Maker. Features automatic thermostat control for precise heat regulation and consistent cooking results. Ergonomic long handle for easy maneuvering, plus included batter bowl for smooth, mess-free pouring. Non-stick surface ensures even heat distribution. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Pepper Grinder. 8-inch grinder body, making sure you can grind a sufficient amount of spice at once, even can allow you to grind several spices at the same time, letting you enjoy several flavors at the same time, very time-saving. This pepper grinder is made of 100% solid natural wood, with adjustable ceramic grinding core. You can easily adjust the grind grade from fine to coarse by twisting top nut. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Casserole. Enjoy healthy, tasty, and crispy food effortlessly is the spot embraces the concept of natural non-stick without the need for additional coatings. With the ability to withstand high heat and retain it effectively, this pan makes cooking a breeze. Its rugged build allows the use of metal ladles without a worry. Pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, it won't rust with regular care, ensuring its longevity. The extra thick 5mm base ensures that your food won't burn or stick, promising generations of faithful service and consistently delicious, healthy meals. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Grinder. Is perfect for grinding coffee beans, spices, dry masalas, nuts, and small grains, offering versatile kitchen utility. This superior performance mini grinder machine for kitchen is perfect for grinding coffee beans, spices, nuts, grains, and more, making the spice grinder ideal for everyday use in your kitchen. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Kettle. Is the ultimate electric kettle multipurpose solution for modern kitchens. Designed to steam and boil at the same time, it allows you to prepare a variety of meals quickly and conveniently. From instant noodles, soups, eggs, and pasta to oatmeal, this multipurpose electric kettle provides endless meal options. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Fridge Accessories. Set of 3 magnetic to-do lists featuring adorable frog, bear, and pig designs, perfect for organizing tasks and grocery lists on any magnetic surface. Premium dry erase magnetic sheets allow multiple uses. Simply wipe clean with the included soft cloth and write new tasks. Includes 3 magnetic marker pens and magnetic mountable eraser cloth for convenient organization and cleaning. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Whiskey glass. Made from high-quality borosilicate material that is durable, heat-resistant, and crystal clear. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Cupboard. Crafted with high-quality plastic, this double-door cabinet from Nilkamal is durable and perfect for organizing your room space. Features an easy-to-assemble design with a highly resilient knockdown build, making setup quick and hassle-free. Equipped with multiple adjustable shelves, this cabinet offers ample storage and is easy to clean, saving your time and effort. This plastic storage cabinet is designed to resist corrosion and termites, ensuring a longer lifespan. Cabinet is designed for easy assembly, making storage a breeze. This is a do-it-yourself product, and a step-by-step assembly video is available on the product picture page, on the second slide, second video, to guide you through the process. This double-door storage cabinet is made from high-quality, durable plastic, making it an ideal storage solution for any household. The cabinet features a knockdown construction, ensuring it's lightweight yet extremely sturdy. Equipped with a safety lock and tower bolt for added protection, the contemporary design elevates your living space. Comes with 3 spacious shelves to meet all your storage needs. Made from high-quality plastic, ensuring durability and longevity. Stylish double-door cabinet designed to elevate your living space. Features a lightweight design with knockdown construction for added robustness. Designed for quick and hassle-free assembly, making setup a breeze. Product link is given in the 32nd link.